MashaAllah, good girl. Today, your very good performance in your test. Alhamdulillah. I'm really happy for you. And now we are going to read Makharij number 5. Okay? The fifth Makharij is when the innermost part of the tongue, for example, its root, meets the plate roof of the mouth near uvula. Yeah? Uvula is in your throat. Yeah? Yeah. So the cough with 2 dots. And remember here, my daughter, cough have 2 qualities. The first one is cough full mouth, and the second quality is in cough qalqala. Yeah. The cough is pronounced from here with qualities of qalqala. Qalqala means hard, distinct sounds, bouncing letters. These are 5 bouncing letters and is completely, we say Qutubu Jaddin, Qaf, Ta, Jim, yeah, Qaf, Ta, Ba, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. These are 5 qalqala's letter, and qaf one of the qalqala's letter. This makharij is really important, my daughter. Again, listen, okay, and memorize nicely. The fifth makharij is when the innermost part of the tongue, for example, its root, meets the plate roof of the mouth near uvula. You have in your tongue a little bit stick, yeah? This name is uvula. So the cough, yeah, the cough is pronounced from here with qualities of qalqala. Qalqala means bouncing, hard, yeah, good girl, hard, distinct sounds. Yeah. Say cough. Good girl, mashallah. Say cough. Yeah. Again I say the cough have 2 qualities. The first one is full mouth and the second one is qalqala's quality. Yeah? Good girl, mashallah. Very good. Memorize quickly. Nice. Mashallah.